Yeah, I think quite simply the outcomes that I've seen. So PainChek is a 9-year-old company now. We're across the Australian, UK, Canadian, and US market. I think the outcomes we've driven from the technology is by far the most thing I'm proud of. From early identification of pain, reduction of psychotropic inappropriate medications, less falls, less BPSD incidents, better appetite, better socialisation. The reality is if you're in unmet, unmanaged pain, it impacts the whole quantum of living a good life, from eating a meal to self-isolation to being a high risk of falls. So I think the recent stat is that you're 300% more likely to have a fall if you're in undiagnosed, unmanaged pain. So we've got about 30 or so published case studies all across the world, and by far and most, that's the thing I'm most proud of with the business, is the outcomes and the improvement of quality of life for our seniors that we've seen since the implementation of the technology.